armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation, operational tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery of the armed forces of the Russian Federation have neutralized 78 Ukrainian artillery units at their firing positions, enemy manpower and military equipment in 142 areas. One Olkha multiple rocket launcher has been destroyed near Kazachya Lopan in Kharkov region. One Ukrainian combat vehicle of the Uragan MRLS has been destroyed near Dalneye of Donetsk People's Republic. Moreover, US-made AN TPQ-36 and AN TPQ-37 counter-battery radar stations were eliminated near Dobropolye and Klinovoye in Donetsk People's Republic. Fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces has shot down one MiG-29 airplane of the Ukrainian Air Force near Krasnoarmeysk in Donetsk People's Republic. Air Defense Forces have intercepted 23 HIMARS, Smerch and Uragan MRLS shells during the day. In addition, 17 Ukrainian unmanned terror vehicles were shut down close to Novaya Zburyevka, Golaya Pristan in Kherson region, Kremenная, Varvarovka, Zhitlovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Valerianovka, Kirillovka, Volnovaha, Volodino and the Mandrykina railway station in Donetsk People's Republic, as well as Mezhyrich in Zaporozhye region. In total 401 airplanes, 220 helicopters, 3,418 unmanned aerial vehicles, 412 air defense missile systems, 8,293 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,057 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,350 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 8,924 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!